Hello, this is Taxable Robin 159 or Random Channel 252 here with another video, and we are going to be taking a tour of my first papercraft flip phone video, the Jitterbug Plus. It is completely like the real Jitterbug Plus, except you can see it has a 5-watt LED light that is not included in the regular Jitterbug Plus. Side charger jack, SD card, it's the back. This is pretty nice phone, I think. Circle cam, 2-megapixel camera, OT display. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see. Jitterbug hadn't spent enough time on the screen. Still a large button phone. Very well delineated, and yes and no, up and down Jitterbug, as well as speaker down there. It's basically the phone. And here's what it looks like next to my papercraft first generation iPhone. It's just a little bit smaller than the phone. The Jitterbug on the right, the phone on the left. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to like and subscribe as well as comment to this channel. Thank you guys, and see you guys in the next video.